Men deeply fall in love with women who do this. The majority of us desire to fall deeply in love, just like in movies. Do you ever feel lost and confused about what you should do to be deeply loved by your special someone? Are you weary of second-guessing your actions and questioning whether you're doing enough to win his heart? You're not alone. Every woman has wondered about these concerns at some point in her life, and we have the answers you've been looking for in this video. So, what is the key to capturing a man's attention and having him fall in love and want to spend the rest of his life with you? Men deeply and madly fall in love with women who do these 10 things. 1. Touching his heart. A man falls madly in love with a woman who holds the key to his heart. But hey, that's just the way love is. When you genuinely like someone, it's as if they're holding onto your heart and refusing to let go. They would have heated arguments on occasion, and it appeared as if he would leave her forever. Other times, they'd be so pleased to be at her side that it seemed like heaven on earth. And then there were times when he couldn't take the thought of being apart from her. 2. Your nurturing side. Most guys are actually searching for a woman who can nurture them, build them up, and maybe be a wonderful mother to their kids. That explains why so many guys are crazy about a female who can cook, cuddle, and comfort them, and who they can bring home to mom. It's a feminine attribute that most men yearn for in a life partner. It's also pretty rare in many circumstances. So, if you're a natural nurturer, you've undoubtedly had a few men crush on you. 3. Confidence and self-respect. Men want to look at their partners and say to themselves, "Wow, she's amazing." But that's tough if you're not the most self-assured person in the room. For most people, confidence is the most appealing attribute, exceeding other important factors in attraction, such as humor and even physical attractiveness. However, there is a narrow line between being overly confident and being secure in your identity. Being with a self-assured partner implies creating a life with someone who has a strong sense of self and independence. You don't have to brag about all you've accomplished. You're letting the results speak for themselves. Being self-assured also builds a solid basis for long-term relationships. You're not insecure about your place in the relationship and don't require frequent reinforcement to feel loved and connected. Finally, men admire confidence and self-esteem because they desire partners they can rely on occasion. They want to feel like they can protect you, but they also want you to be able to stand on your own 2 feet, with or without them. 4. Making him mad. To make him fall in love, you must first make him mad. It may sound strange, but it is true. You must care deeply about someone for any feelings at all. When he falls in love with you, he will realize that his heart and home are yours. It's empty without you. Sure, there will be disagreements from time to time, but after the day is done, he should know deep down that he simply wants to see you again and again. 5. Being feminine, but not helpless. Being helpless means crying all the time and relying on your guy for everything. That's terrible. It's like a burden. However, being feminine is different. It indicates that you are self-sufficient while yet knowing how to work with somebody else. You may be proud of your femininity in ways that feel natural to you, while still fighting for yourself when necessary. This demonstrates to him that you are strong, yet not afraid to show him your sensitive side as well. 6. Offering unconditional love. Most men put on a rough front because they are afraid of being rejected. They seem as though they don't need anybody, yet deep down, they desire a woman in their life more than anything else. Knowing that you will always love and accept them is what makes them fall hard for someone. It's like discovering a hidden treasure. It feels so amazing to know that someone recognizes and respects you just as you are. 7. Mutual inspiration. When a guy discovers a female he truly likes, he feels really proud. But it's something extraordinary when she inspires him right back. It does not happen all the time. If they both inspire each other, they are always pushing each other forward and becoming their best selves together. They grow together rather than apart. They bring out the best in one another. 8. Long-term compatibility. The initial rush of physical and sexual compatibility can only take you so far. Men do not always fall in love as easily or as profoundly with the individuals they meet, which may give the impression that they are not looking for a long-term relationship. While this is true for a lot of casual daters, many men want to fall in love and settle down. It just so happens that guys occasionally require more from their relationships in order to feel like they can grow out of their bachelor skins and become the family man they desire. Guys like to be with someone with whom they can be themselves. Having the same hobbies, enjoying the same activities, pursuing more or less the same objectives, or just having basic personal ideas such as being active and adventurous are all important in forming a long-term relationship. Unlike women, who are more open and sensitive about discovering love, males may find it challenging to peel back those first layers and become more personal. True emotional connection must come before compatibility. Most males need to see that you be a terrific addition to his life, and that you can be his friend, lover, and equal. Without it, he may find it difficult to date you beyond a casual context. 9. Being versatile. People have lots of different sides. They might be serious, sociable, cautious, amusing, intelligent, artistic, or even act like a child at times. Letting someone see all of your parts is like delivering them a surprise every day. It makes you feel wonderful and special, since people are always impressed by how great and intriguing you are. So don't be hesitant to show off your various sides. It's what makes partnerships so enjoyable. You get to keep surprising each other and make life fun. 10. Making him feel accomplished. Simply telling a guy how much you appreciate him will make him feel all warm and fuzzy inside. Guys enjoy hearing that they are great and can take care of their girlfriends. Boost his confidence by speaking genuine, wonderful things about him. But don't lie. When he's with you, this will make him love himself even more. 11. Being a cheerleader for him. Everyone admires a cheerleader, even if they don't participate in sports. Cheerleaders are always there to cheer you on and encourage you. Someone who not only makes them feel good, but also inspires them to be their best selves is desirable. If you want someone to fall deeply in love with you, show them all the wonderful things in life and focus on the positive rather than the negative. Show them all of the fantastic things that can happen when they're with you. 12. Knowing that he is your priority. If a guy wants to fall in love, he needs to feel that you value him. That involves putting him first and ensuring that his needs are equally important as everyone else's. But if you constantly push him aside or make it appear that other people are more important, he won't feel the connection required for love. So, remember to treat your man well and show him how much he means to you. 13. You let your best self shine. Guys appreciate it when women want to spend time with them. Try becoming the girl who everyone loves to be around if you want a guy to fall for you. Display your charisma and interact with others in a kind manner. However, if you are rude and domineering to him, his friends may gossip about you, pushing him farther away from liking you. The main thing is to have everyone love being by your side, rather than pushing everyone away. Well, that's all about it. I hope it helped. Thanks for watching.